If your Google Chrome autofill is cluttered with old addresses, outdated payment methods, or saved form entries you no longer need, this video will show you exactly how to clear it out step by step. Clearing autofill can help keep your browser organized, protect your privacy, and make sure Chrome stops suggesting the wrong information when you fill out forms online. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your start menu, depending on how you normally launch your browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dot menu. Click that menu, and from the drop-down list, select Settings. This will take you to the main Chrome settings page where all of your browser preferences are stored. Now that you're in Settings, look at the left-hand menu. Find Autofill and Passwords and click on it. This section is where Chrome keeps your saved autofill information, including addresses, passwords, payment methods, and other form details. Since we're focusing on clearing autofill, this is the exact area you need to work in. Next, scroll down and click on Contact Info. Here you'll see any saved names, addresses, and phone numbers that Chrome has stored for you. If you want to remove one of these entries, find the specific item you want to delete. Then click the three dots next to it. From the menu that appears, click Delete. Chrome will immediately remove that autofill entry, so it will no longer show up when you start typing into forms. If you have multiple old addresses saved, repeat the same process for each one you want to remove. This is especially useful if you've moved, changed phone numbers, or simply want Chrome to stop suggesting outdated contact details. Taking a few minutes to clean this up can make autofill much more accurate and much less annoying. Now let's move on to payment information. Go back to the previous autofill section and click Payments. In this area, Chrome displays any saved cards or payment methods connected to your browser. If you no longer want a card stored in Chrome, locate the saved payment method you want to remove, click the three dots next to it, and then click Delete. Chrome will erase that saved payment information from autofill. If you want to go a step further, you can also review other saved autofill data in Chrome, like passwords or form entries, depending on what version of Chrome you're using and what data has been stored. The overall process is the same. Open the right autofill section, find the item you want to remove and delete it from the menu, and that's it. You've now cleared autofill in Google Chrome by removing saved addresses and payment methods. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your browser clean, reduce incorrect autofill suggestions, and improve your privacy. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Chrome tips video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.